Waiting me, I get to talk, we say, my name is Adora Onyechere, host Gender Agenda, Women Talk Show Movement on TV. This na man parliament, this parliament where they look at, na man parliament for now. As far as we are concerned, there is no woman parliament. There is nothing that has to do with women with this parliament. And we are here, we day here. The message when I will get to talk, we say, if they like, they should come. If they like, they should not come. Now here we day. Woman, I saw. See, we don't reach when we don't go bed. We don't tire to bed. We don't tire. We are 50% of the population. That's a currency. That's a currency to be milked. Now they're supposed to beg us. Election, they go come carry us, maybe we go vote for them. We go mobilize. Where shall be? Smile. Woman leader, Girl Scouts, political woman gender unit. All the go. I say he's not here. We know they do again. Because you cannot keep using women and you don't want to empower them. The gender bill was meant to give women equal access to power, to empower them to make decisions for women. And then one woman they tell me say for their community now so kidnap, rape they do for their side. How we go talk our problem if women know they inside National Assembly? I don't know. How we go pass bills for women if we don't get number for inside National Assembly? Wetin the men don't tell us, they say they don't send us. We too we could not no send them. Because come election, which we go carry our vote, put inside our pocket. If you don't want vote for women, we could not go vote for. Because at the end of the day, whether they like it or not, this is not the first time it's happened. Nigeria said they beg, the women they beg. Other country they demand them. You go to all the other African countries, they demand them. They don't they beg. We don't beg. We don't lobby. We don't negotiate. We don't double. Yet, even first lady, leave her, come forth, come a National Assembly, they beg. They look at me, they say, see this ones. You think say now because you come. Okay now, we don't agree, say you no one help us. We too, we don't decide, say you no go help yourself. Because at the